What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. And there was a massive update on Salad. They actually have made a whole new website. Well, not a new website, but a new page on their website so you can see demand for current GPUs. That's why I started pulling some of my GPUs off of Salad, because there's no demand for them, or very low demand. So let me flip this over and show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's see here. Right there. Okay. So this is salad.com/earn/demand. Very, very useful. And basically it just ranks the amount of demand from top to bottom, or at least you can click it from top to bottom. You can also do it from average hourly earning from top to bottom, but obviously demand is the most important. And the most in-demand card right now is the 3090. I didn't think that was any surprise because it packs a really good value with a lot of VRAM. What I was surprised about was the second card on the list is actually the RTX 2080 Ti is the second most demanded card. Moving down from that, the 4090, the 4070 Ti, and then you can see average earning rate hourly. So 11 cents an hour on a 3090, and then the earning rate top 25%. I guess maybe certain cards earn higher, depending on certain jobs, but mine were doing right around that. Mine were actually showing like 10.9 to 11 cents. Every now and then I would get one that would jump up and it would pay $4 a day or whatever the equivalent of that was, like almost 20 cents an hour. But for the most part it was about 11 cents a day, or sorry, 11 cents per hour, which is like what, 250 260 a day. Not bad. And then recommended specs: 64 gigs of RAM, 120 gig storage. Now, if we go down this list, I did have a bunch of these RTX 3060s, and they were not getting a lot of jobs, like little little job here, little job there. They just weren't keeping jobs. Now, the hourly rate is 0.04 on average, or 0.05 for some of the top earners. So we're looking at, dollar, a little over $1 a day. So I figured I'd go ahead and pull those because I can't beat that with mining, but I can get relatively close to it, and I can speculatively mine some other coins with these machines. So I was like, kind of weighing that balance here. Obviously, I am burning more power with these machines, but it's wintertime, and I want these things to burn more power so that it creates heat in my house, so my wife doesn't have to run my electric heat as much. So that is a win-win right there. Moving down the list, 4080 low. So if you have a card that's in this low or even close to that low range, you're gonna probably not get a lot of workload jobs, and that's just kind of how the cookie crumbles. It's weird. 2080 Ti way up at the top of the list, 2080 regular all the way down at the bottom. So if you don't see your card on there, I don't know, but because some people are asking me, well, what about this, what about that, and I'm like, I don't know. So I'm reaching out to the team to see if there's any clarification on that, because they did say that they had added, what was it, the A5000 support and some of the other like workstation style cards, but I don't see them on this list. So I don't know what the demand is or how that works or how it doesn't work. Now, going over to my Salad, I have been having nothing but internet issues. So you'll see literally mine will flatline and drop out. Actually, you can't see it right there. See, they'll flatline and drop out. Until I get my Starlink in, this is not going to go away, because they're doing maintenance on the 5G tower right down the road from me. And I use T-Mobile home internet right now, which runs through 5G. And whenever it's working, it actually works really good. But right now, it's not on 5G, it's on LTE. And the LTE tower is significantly farther away and significantly slower for downloads, uploads, and latency. So, I'm just taking that with a grain of salt, and it is what it is. Now, right here, for example, I had two, let's see here. I believe this was two machines. Let's see, there. Okay, so I had two machines that were both doing about 11 cents per hour. Those are my 3090s, because I am pulling everything that's not a 3090 off. My 3060s, I'm pulling those off. So 2 out of my 3 3090s did have 11 cents per hour jobs. I believe that all 3 of them would have, but that's when I was having internet issues, and I know my download speed has been affected greatly. So potentially that third machine wasn't getting jobs because of bandwidth issues. I believe that's on me. That's not on them. Now, as for anything else getting jobs, I don't have any data on those because my 3060s haven't got jobs in quite some time. You can actually look at it. My 3060s haven't got jobs in all the way back to, what was that, the 7th of this month. So, it's been, there was one on the 9th, the 10th. So, but yeah, like basically all last week or all this week, I have not got any jobs on my 3060. So that's why I started pulling them off. But anyway, guys, I'm going to jump off here. Let me know what you think about the demand, platform demand website. I'll put those links, or that link, down below in the description. And then also, if you're new to Salad, it is a rental platform. And if you have 3090s, basically that's what I suggest putting on here right now. As demand changes, I'll do an update on this in the future. But if you want to use my referral link or my affiliate link or whatever they call it, it does help me out a little bit. But if you don't want to, that's cool too. It'll be down below in the description as well. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.